loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey. Today I'm going to show you how to plant succulents. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw my post where I asked if you guys wanted me to show you how to plant succulents. I took a class at work. It was very informative and I learned how to do it, and I wanted to show you guys it. It's super cool. These are real life succulents. I got these from Home Depot. They range from $1 for the smaller ones, and I will have the names of the succulents down in the description box, as well as a video on beginners tips on how to take care of succulents. So here are some of the vases and containers that I'll be using. I got this from Ross. It's just a white ceramic kind of a vase container thing. I got this for $1.99 on clearance. I also got this charcoal gray sort of a planter. I got this from Michael's. They are 50% off at the current moment. It was originally $4.99, so that's a really good steal, and it's really lightweight. I love these. Here's another planter that I'm going to be using. I also got this one from Michael's. This one was originally $5.99. I also got this from Michael's about a year ago. I don't know the price of it, but you can find it at Michael's as well. I'll have it in the description box. And these glasses came from the Dollar Tree, and they have a slight angle to the top of them. So I thought that these would be really cool for succulents. I also got this wooden planter from Michael's. It was originally $3.99. This last bowl came from the Dollar Tree, so check those out as well. You'll also be needing some sand. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And lastly, you'll need a little container like this to put water into your plants. So I went ahead and I placed each plant into the planter that I desire to have them in. Next, I'm going to show you how to plant them using soil, sand, and also rocks. So here's the soil that I'm going to be using. I will have this listed also in the description box. So here's what the soil will look like. I'm going to use a spoon after I planted my plants just to evenly disperse it all around them. I also forgot to mention that I do have some rocks or stones. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and they have them in a white color as well as a natural color. I believe they have black as well. So I'm going to go ahead and plant my hen and chicks, that's what this succulent is called, into this Dollar Tree container here. So first I'm just going to remove the succulent from the container. And the roots might be stuck at the bottom, just give them a gentle pull. Then you're simply just going to loosen the dirt that's underneath. You can loosen the roots as well. So here's what it looks like once I've went ahead and took it out of the pot and removed some of the bottom from it. Still very healthy, still has plenty of root on it. Next I'm going to add some soil. Then I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just going to open it up and place my succulent right in there, and then cover it up with my fingers and push the dirt back around inside of it. So here's what it looks like once I've went ahead and I added the plant to the soil. Next I'm going to go ahead and add some sand all around it. Alright, and I'm just going to pour my sand around the succulent. I'm also going to take some of these white rocks and add them to the planter as well, so that is succulent number one, nice and planted. You can definitely add more color, add the neutral rocks on the top. It is totally up to you. So you kind of get the gist of how to plant them. I'm going to move kind of fastly and show you the rest of them. So you can just take a brush and just really gently brush off any debris off of them. I'm going to add just some simple neutral rocks right to the top of this one. And here's what this one turned out like. This is my favorite so far. Super cute. Added some rocks to the side of it. Alright, so I'm going to add some soil to this one and repeat the same steps. And be sure to remove any of the dead leaves that are on it, or pick carefully when you do go by them so that that won't happen. So I'm going to add some of these natural stones to this one as well. Okay, for the grand finale, so on this one, I'm gonna add the white rocks to the bottom and then the soil on the top, add the plants, and then just add a few other things to it as well. So I went ahead and I placed my white rocks at the bottom of this. I'm gonna place the soil on the top. So just about that amount. My hands are so crusty, you guys. I'm so sorry. My hands are absolutely crusty. So just repeat the same steps. Remove your succulents from the pots, plant them in, push around the sides to get them in place, and add your sand on top. Next, I'm going to add my cactus right next to that. I'm going to just turn this around. I'm going to add my last little small one here. So here's what it looks like once I went ahead and added all three of the succulents to it. Next, I'm going to add some white sand. So I'm going to just add some of the white stone. So you're going to follow the same process and take your brush and you're going to dust off anything that came onto your succulents. So thank you all so much for tuning in. That completes today's DIY. I am so super excited for these to grow and to watch their journey. In the description box you will see a link to another YouTuber who I found very helpful in this succulent journey. She has some really awesome tips on how to treat your succulents. So check that out. Make sure that you like, share this video, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you all later.